Are you using the right cleaner for your marble floors? Dear friends, marble floors are a timeless choice for homeowners due to their natural elegance and durability. However, they require special care to maintain their beauty. One of the most essential aspects of marble maintenance is choosing the right cleaner. Unlike ceramic tiles or vinyl floors, marble is a porous and delicate stone that can easily get stained, scratched, or etched if exposed to harsh chemicals. Many people unknowingly damage their marble floors by using acidic or abrasive cleaners, such as vinegar, lemon-based solutions, or bleach. These substances can dull the shine and permanently etch the surface. The right cleaner for marble floors should always be pH neutral, non-abrasive, and specifically formulated for natural stone surfaces. Mild soap mixed with warm water can work for routine cleaning, but specialized marble cleaners are a safer option for regular use. It is also important to avoid rough scrubbing pads or brushes, as they can scratch the polished finish. Instead, use a soft microfiber mop or cloth to clean the surface gently. Regular dusting and promptly wiping up spills, especially acidic ones like coffee, wine, or citrus juices, helps prevent long-term damage. By selecting the right cleaner and following proper maintenance practices, you can preserve the luxurious look of your marble floors for years. After all, the cleaner you choose today determines the shine you enjoy tomorrow. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.